I mean, 150 years ago, this place opened, and they were building tires. So imagine what's going on now. It's 2018, and we're building literally an innovation hub.
This 22,000 square foot space used to be B.F. Goodrich's operations in downtown Akron. Recently gutted, it will soon be the home of a new multi-use center that will make up the first floor of the Bounce Innovation Hub. Doug WEINTRAUB is the CEO.
Over here, we have conference rooms and what we call co-working space, which is probably the latest trend in real estate. And we're standing literally in the edge of the restaurant, and right here is where I can grab my ice cream.
The floor will also house an electronic and tech lab with CNC machines and 3D printers, as well as office space and conference rooms.
The goal is to create an environment that is a combination of many buildings that you'd find all over Northeast Ohio, but under one roof in Akron, Ohio.
It's just the latest way the Bounce Innovation Hub is changing with the times. The then-named Akron Global Business Accelerator was created more than 30 years ago as a way to nurture small startups. Today there are 52 portfolio companies occupying its 9 floors, and last year it was renamed Bounce as a nod to the innovation happening in the city.
Types of companies that are coming in here and that we've been meeting with range from 2 or 3 people to actually companies that have 25 people. Where the average salaries are $50,000 and up.
The first portfolio company we meet is Vigeo Gardens on the 8th floor.
So the channel actually is rotating or constantly circulating a liquid solution through there. Inside of that liquid, it's going to have our nutrients, dissolved oxygen, corrected pH and temperature.
Vincent Peterson is the CEO of Vigeo Gardens, a company specializing in controlled environment agriculture.
The idea is you're able to control what's going on inside of the structure, and so you could replicate that, wherever it may be. These LEDs are 1/5 the amount of electric that our fluorescents were.
With its 6-tiered hydroponic system, Vigeo Gardens can grow 27,000 vegetable plants that it can turn over about 15 times a year. The system monitors the nutrients in the water as it recycles it at a rate of 2,200 gallons per hour.
We're able to push our nutrient solutions further, making it so rather than switching this on the frequency that other farms do, we are somewhere around 2 times as long.
In another part of the building, Akron Ascent Innovations is busy developing a new kind of adhesive.
We've nicknamed it Shear Grip. It's, for lack of a better description, it's a dry adhesive, but it is not like a typical adhesive you think of. It's not sticky.
This machine is used to stretch polymers and create a nanofiber film that is the basis of the adhesive.
It becomes thinner and thinner down to nanometer fibers, so it's 100 times thinner than my hair.
The technology was developed at the University of Akron and is being marketed as a way to easily place pictures and other items on the wall, says President Barry Rosenbaum.
This adhesive allows you to cleanly apply and cleanly remove and reposition and even reuse the adhesive.
Lead product developer Rebecca KUZNARSKY demonstrates how easy it is to print and then use the adhesive.
So you have this release liner. You'll just peel it off like this and just press the photo in place. And when you're all finished, you just get the little corner started and it peels right off.
With medical and recreational marijuana becoming more prevalent, Triple Beam Technologies is developing a device to help law enforcement determine if someone is driving under the influence of marijuana.
Similar to a breathalyzer technology. It operates a little differently, but the premise is similar to how a breathalyzer test would work at the roadside.
Triple Beam has already proven the process on a desktop model and is in the process of shrinking the technology into a handheld device. Business Development Associate Justin STITZLEIN says none of it would have been possible without the assistance of Bounce.
To be able to have a space and connections and the people that they bring around, and there's business development resources, and it's really been a great fit for us.
Our goal is just to continue to lease space out, and we're showing the space on a regular basis. We're trying to create the buzz, and word has gotten out. and people are flocking into the space.
The Youngstown Business Incubator, elevating every entrepreneur. For more information on program offerings, visit www.ybi.org.